Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. Okay, so we are talking about strategies to help us with our subtracting. And we've been doing a lot of these this week. So the first thing we do is look and see, okay, what number comes first? Because that's going to be our whole or our biggest number. Oh, we should probably start over on the first one. We did 5 minus 3, and how many are left? 2. Good. Okay, so let's look over at the next problem, 7 minus 2. So the 7 is the whole, so let's write 7 10 frames. We're going to fill them up with dots, and then we're going to cross off 2. So when we do that, how many 10 frames are left? Yep, we have 5. Okay, so on the next one, we have 9. So fill 9 10 frames. And then we're going to cross off 6. So we're going to X off 6. And when we do that, how many are left? 3. Very good. So the next problem has 10 as our whole, our biggest number. So we put 10 dots in our 10 frame, and then we're going to cross off 5. And when we do that, how many are left? We have 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay. On our next 10 frame, we have 4 minus 3. So put 4 dots in your 10 frame, and then we're going to cross off 3. How many are left? We have 1. Okay, the next one says 8 minus 7. So I'm going to fill up 8 10 frames. And then we're going to cross off 7 of them. When we do that, how many are left? Just 1. Okay. On the next one, we have 6 minus 2. So 6 dots. And then we're going to cross off 2. And how many does that leave? 4. Good. On our next 10 frame, we have 9 minus 4. So let's fill in 9. Okay. And then we have 4, so cross off 4. And how many does that leave us? 5. Very good. Okay. On the next one, we have all 10 of our 10 frames full. And then we're going to cross off 8. And when we do that, how many are left? We have 2. Very good. All right, last one on this side. We have 7. And we're going to cross off 5 of them. How many does that leave? 2. Very good. All right, let's take a look at the back side. Now we have some bigger numbers. We have 15 minus 5. So put 15 And then we're going to cross off 5 of them. And how many does that leave? 10. Good. Now I have 11. I'm going to cross off 3. How many are left? 8. Now let's do 12. And we're going to cross off 6. And when you do that, how many are left? 6. Okay, now we have 13. Cross off 8. How many do we have left? 5. And the last one is 11 minus 7. So we put 11 on our 10 frames. And we cross off 7. And how many do we have left? 4. Very good, boys and girls. Please make sure that this is all the way done and turn it in and do what your teacher wants you to do next.